Are you struggling with placeholders in TensorFlow while training your neural networks? It can be a real headache, especially when you're trying to integrate everything into a Java application. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to convert those pesky placeholders into constants. I totally get it. You want to streamline your workflow and avoid the hassle of feeding values for dropout layer, keep probabilities every time you run your model. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when working with TensorFlow. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is it possible to convert a placeholder into a constant in TensorFlow? This is a common scenario, especially when you're looking to simplify your model for deployment. Let's dive into the details. So what exactly is the issue here? In TensorFlow, placeholders are used to feed data into your model during training. However, if you want to set certain values, like keep probabilities, to constants, it can save you a lot of time and effort when deploying your model. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can help you optimize your TensorFlow models even further. To convert placeholders to constants in TensorFlow, the user should first identify the placeholders in their graph. These placeholders are typically used for dropout keep probabilities. Next, the user can replace these placeholders with constants. This can be done by using TensorFlow's constant function to create a constant with a value of 1.0. After replacing the placeholders, the user should ensure that the graph is updated accordingly. This means removing any references to the original placeholders. Finally, the user can freeze the graph using the freezegraph.py script. This will save the updated graph with constants instead of placeholders. Fun fact: did you know that TensorFlow was originally developed by researchers and engineers from the Google Brain team? It's amazing how far it has come and how many developers rely on it today. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to use the placeholder with default function. This allows you to create a placeholder that has a default value when it is not fed. You can either provide a specific value or let it use the default. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always document your changes when converting placeholders to constants. This will help you and your team understand the model better and make future modifications easier. And there you have it. You've successfully converted placeholders to constants in TensorFlow. Remember, simplifying your model can lead to smoother deployments. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on TensorFlow and machine learning.